Ben's getting ready to try it out. It's a 22, 21. What is this thing? 21?
I have no idea.
I think it's 21.
I think it's a 21. It's Jarrett's Road King.
Road King
We're
Special.
gonna check it out. See what we think.
We just stopped here for a minute on the road. See what Ben and Sydney thought of the Road King Special. Let's hear it, Ben.
I liked it. It's a lot different than my bike, but
He's got a 2006 D-Strom.
yeah. Way more comfortable for two people to ride on.
Ben, what's the story on the Road King? You like it?
Well, I do like the Road King, and I was a bit conflicted coming into the day because if I wind up liking it, I'm going to wind up having to get one.
Yeah, how's the windshield? Jared just got the windshield for it.
I mean, I never rode it without the windshield, so I don't really know, but man, it's a lot better to ride than my bike.
You like it, Sydney?
It's comfy.
You guys gonna get it, Harley?
I'm thinking about it.
That's a yes. So Ben is shopping for a motorcycle right now, and we haven't even left Rabbit House yet. Okay, we just got back from, or what would we ride? 60 miles, 50 miles?
Nah, something like that.
What did you think of it?
Well, I'd never rode a Harley before, only like down the street and back, but it's a lot more comfortable just cruising down roads and stuff, man. It's a lot nicer, especially with two people.
The other person? Sydney?
Yeah, I liked it a lot better, but it's still, I get done around 2 hours.
Well, you haven't rode for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was thinking about it last night, and I got plenty of compliments on it in Rabbit Hash.
Yeah. All right. You guys have fun then?
Yep.
Had fun.
Good
And
deal.
thanks for letting me ride it, Jarrett. It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. We almost got wet, but we didn't, so we're good. All right. See you guys.